The much awaited AI Summit 2026 has officially begun at Bharat Mandapam in New Delhi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi attended the opening day, visited various startup stalls and company pavilions, and interacted with the innovators. The event opened to the general public on February 17th and will continue until February 20th. But while this summit promised cutting edge technology and global participation, the first day saw several complaints and management issues. Visitors reported extremely long queues at the entry gates. Many people expressed frustration on social media about waiting for hours just to enter the venue. Journalists covering the event also faced difficulties. Physical passes were reportedly not ready at collection booths and even at the Digi Yatra gates. Long lines created delays. Another major issue: payments. Several attendees complained that UPI payments were not working at food stalls. Instead, vendors were accepting only cash. In a tech summit focused on artificial intelligence, digital payment failure did not go down well with visitors. Adding to the inconvenience, many people mentioned a lack of proper signboards inside the venue. This made navigation confusing. Seating arrangements also appeared insufficient, while around 2,500 attendees were expected. Many said the number of available seats did not match the crowd size. Internet connectivity became another headache. Multiple posts online claimed that Wi Fi was either unavailable or not functioning properly. Again, surprising at an AI focused global event. The situation even impacted startup founders. Maitri Vak, co founder of AI Voice startup Bolna, posted on X saying that due to gate closures, she could not even reach her own booth. She jokingly offered to set up a small stall at a nearby cafe for anyone stuck outside. In another concerning development, Dhananjay Yadav, co-founder of an AI wearable startup, claimed via social media that his products were stolen from the venue. However, as of now, there has been no official confirmation from Delhi police regarding the matter. Despite the chaos, the summit remains significant. Global tech CEOs and international delegates are expected to attend. A special session on AI and media opportunity, responsible pathways, and the road ahead saw participation from major media leaders. During this discussion, concerns were raised about accountability in AI. Speakers warned that without proper regulation, artificial intelligence could negatively impact public discourse. Organizers are hopeful that arrangements will improve from the second day onwards.